what I see.
Can you give me some
You
fucking
got company
ammo?
out there?
Fuck you.
No, you took everything, you fucking retard.
Chillax.
Healing my wounds.
Chillax, bro. No, give me ammo right now. Right now, I'm gonna rape your family. Give me ammo.
Jesus. You're gonna pop a pod missile, little bro.
I am out of heavy
Give me
ammo.
fucking heavy ammo.
No. Ask nicely.
Okay, you're reported. You're reported for trolling. Reported. Fuck you.
I care, I guess.
Yeah, you're gonna care.
No, I'm not.
You fucking virgin, bro. You play this game 24/7, bro. You have like 10k kills on that shitty character, bro. Like, do you go outside? Do you go outside?
I don't know why you're calling me a virgin when you're playing Apex with me, so
Because you don't give me any fucking ammo, bro. Give me ammo.
no. I'm pretty sure you
Give me
yoinked-
fucking ammo.
Pretty sure you yoinked like 120 like them all over.
I do not care. Give me the heavy ammo.
I
Okay, that's it. I'm gonna rape your family. I don't care. GG.
You're probably like a still URL. Chillax.
Your family is raped.
I'm lucky. And you're in prison, and you dropped the soap.
Listen. You fucking nigger. I'm gonna enslave you. You hear me? I will fucking enslave you. Give me heavy ammo right now.